Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your cable modem provides internet and supports Ethernet at the wall port. Unplug and reconnect power if needed to restore connection. Locate the modem gateway IP address, often 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 100, 1 and write it down for setup. Gather the Wi-Fi router, one Ethernet cable, power adapter, and a laptop or phone to configure settings. Ensure the modem is in bridge mode if using your own router for best result. Connect the router WAN port to the modem using the Ethernet cable and power both devices. From your laptop or phone, join the router setup network and access the router via its IP, typically 192, 168, 1, 1 to configure settings. Choose a router mode of router or automatic rather than access point when sharing cable internet. Set the wireless SSID and select 2, 4 GHz, 5 GHz, or both bands for coverage. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 security and create a strong password of at least 12 characters. After saving settings, restart the modem, then restart the router to ensure proper DHCP and WAN IP assignment. Verify the router shows a public IP and internet status in its status page. Test Wi-Fi connectivity on multiple devices and measure speed using a speed test app to confirm expected throughput. If signals are weak, reposition the router higher and central in your home for better coverage. Update router firmware regularly and change wireless channels to reduce interference and improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.